Hi, welcome to 5 Minutes About Pulsar. I am Massimiliano Mirelli, a software engineer on the streaming team at DataStax and a contributor to the Apache Pulsar project. Today, I will show you some cool things you can do on a geo-replicated Pulsar cluster via the DataStax Admin Console. If you want to start a speed with Pulsar, please sign up at astra.datastax.com/register streaming and spin up your first Pulsar instance for free. Also, if you have any questions about the content of this video or Pulsar, please drop an email at pulsarquestions@datastax.com. We'll be happy to help you. The first amazing thing the DataStax Admin Console allows you to do is to monitor the Pulsar cluster basic metrics, such as incoming or outgoing rate and replication rate. How this is achieved can be seen in this slide. Let's see these in practice now. I'm currently running two Pulsar standalone clusters on the pods described at the top of the screen. We start a consumer on cluster B, Pulsar pod 6660, on topic tenant1/ns1/topic1, and the producer on cluster B, running on pod 6650, which generates 100 messages per second on the same topic. The consumer is actually consuming, so it's now time to see how this looks like in the DataStax Admin Console. Before starting the DataStax Admin Console, I had to modify its default configuration. If you need more guidance on how to start up the DataStax Admin Console, please check out the video by my colleague Mike Fortman by clicking the link below. Now let's start the DataStax Admin Console service. The first one is running on 6454, whereas the second one on port 7454. So let's connect to those. This is the Admin Console monitoring cluster A. And as you can see, if we change the tenant, here is the tenant1/ns1/topic1, where we are producing 100 messages per second. Then we can do the same for the Admin Console monitoring cluster B. We select tenant1 and see that here the rate consumed is also 100 messages per second. Now let's look for the replication rate. We can see that the rate out is 100 messages per second and the replicated cluster is cluster B, as we are currently monitoring cluster A. Going back to cluster B, we look at its replication rate and nothing unexpected. The replication cluster is cluster A and the rate in is 100 messages per second. Another thing I wanted to show you is that you can also create a replicated topic on both clusters by just running one new topic request from the DataStax Admin Console web interface. This is done by simply clicking on Create New Topic, which we will call tenant1/ns1/replicated on the cluster admin console. Now, since the tenant1/ns1 namespace is replicated across cluster A and cluster B, the topic tenant1/ns1/replicated is automatically created on cluster B. Let's now see this in action. We create the topic tenant1/ns1/replicated and press enter. This created our topic on cluster A. And we validate the topic will be created also on cluster B by switching the tenant to tenant1. And here it is. This is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and please like and share the video if you found it useful. Have a great day.